Hello everyone, I've created a virtual assistant that helps me track my monthly expenses. Let's go. Hey, hi, I'm your virtual assistant to help you keep track of your monthly expenses. Okay. In this program, after I input my expenses, I can view a list of them, calculate the total, average or maximum expense, and sort them by most recent. I used arrays, loops, functions, and conditional statement in its development. We can try. Enter the number of expenses made this month, 5. Enter an expense, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Monthly expenses are as follows. Press S to calculate total expense. S. The total expense is 150 euro. So I press A. The highest expense is 50 euro. Okay. D. The average expense is 30 euro. Okay. B. The expenses ordered from most recent are these. Thank you so much.